Namaskar students, I am Javins Dr. Rajakumar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I am going to discuss farm management and production economics. Under farm management and production economics, I will discuss topic principle of farm management. Now economic principles. Economic principles applied to the farm management are: first, law of variable proportional or law of diminishing returns; second, cost principle; third, principle of factor substitutions; fourth, principle of product substitutions; fifth, principle of equal marginal return; sixth, time comparison principle; seventh, principle of competitive advantage. Now law of variable proportional, law of diminishing returns or principle of added cost and added returns. The law of diminishing return is the basic natural law affect many phases of management of a farm business. The factor product relationship or a amount of resources that should be used, optimum input, and consequently the amount of product that should be produced, optimum output, is directly related to the operation of the law of diminishing return. This law derived it is the name from the fact that its successive unit of variable resources are used in the combinations of a collection of a fixed resources. The resulting additional to the total product will be become successively smaller. Now cost principle or minimum loss principle. The principle guide the producer in the minimizations of losses. Costs are divided into the fixed and variable cost. Variable costs are important in determining the whether to produce or not. Fixed costs are important in making decisions on different practices and different amount of production. In the short run, the gross return or total revenue cover the total variable cost. The spread in different way that the selling price must cover the average variable cost to continue the production in the short run. Now cost principle. Under the cost principle, we discuss total cost. The total cost equal to the variable cost and fixed cost, and net revenue equal to the total revenue deduct to total cost. Now principle of factor substitution. It help in marketing. The principle of substitution help in making a management decision of how to produce. Substitution of one input or another input occur frequently in agriculture production. Now principle of product substitution. This principle explains the product-product relationship and help in deciding the optimum combination of product. Also, these economic principle guidance in making decision of what to produce. It is economical to substitute one product for another product if the decrease in returns from the product beginning replaced is the less than the increase in the returns from the product being added. Now law of equal marginal return principle. The law equal marginal principle provides guideline for the rational allocation of scarce resources. The principle says that returns from the limited resources will be maximum if each unit of the resources should be used where it brings greatest marginal returns. Now time comparison principle. The time comparison principle depends on the two parts: compounding time comparison principle and discounting time comparison principle. Under compounding time comparison principle, compounding is the procedure to find the future value of a present sum. And now discounting time comparison principle. Discounting is the procedure to find the present value of future sum. So, under compounding method we used future value to present sum, and under discounting method we find the present value to future sum. Now principle of competitive advantage. Under this principle, crop can be grown in only limited area because of specific soil and climate requirements. However, even those crop and livestock enterprises. Thank you.